that? It couldn't have been any better. I left it